Hi guys. OpenPhone and Grasshopper are two of the most popular business phone systems today, but which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I'll explain the main differences between OpenPhone and Grasshopper, and we'll consider 3 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. We'll leave the link in the description. You can use it, you can start with the free version, and if you like it more, you can upgrade, risk-free. And thank you for using the links in the description. So let's find out which is better for you. For the pricing, starting with OpenPhone, there are 3 different plans available to choose depending on your business needs. The standard plan is a great option for those looking for essential features such as a local or toll-free phone number, voicemail to text transcription, and call recording. It's priced at $13 per user per month, billed annually. For teams in need of more advanced features and integrations, the premium plan is available for $20 per user per month, billed annually. It includes everything in the standard plan, as well as call transfers, group calling, coming soon, and integrations with HubSpot and Salesforce. The enterprise plan is for larger companies with complex requirement. Custom contract and pricing options are available upon request, and it includes a dedicated account manager, audit log, and priority support, in addition to all the features in the premium plan. Now let's take a look at Grasshopper's pricing plans. The Solo plan is ideal for entrepreneurs who want a professional phone system to manage their calls effectively. For $28 per month billed annually, you get 1 phone number, 3 extensions, and unlimited users. For growing businesses with 1 to 3 employees, the Partner plan is a great option. It includes 3 phone numbers, 6 extensions, and unlimited users for $46 per month billed annually. Finally, the Small Business plan is perfect for small businesses that require more flexibility in their call routing options. For $80 per month billed annually, you get 5 phone numbers, unlimited extensions, and unlimited users. As you can see, both OpenPhone and Grasshopper offer a range of pricings to suit different business needs. Take some time to consider which features and options are most important to you before making a decision. And for the features, first up, let's take a closer look at OpenPhone. This phone system offers many useful features, including a customizable IVR phone menu complete with extensions. This feature allows you to create a professional phone system that can route calls to the right department or employee. OpenPhone also offers voicemail to text transcription, which can save you time by quickly scanning through your voicemails to find important messages. However, there are some areas where OpenPhone falls short. For example, there is no click-to-call feature, which can be a major downside for teams that need to make calls quickly and efficiently. Additionally, the system only integrates with a few tools, including Salesforce, Gong, HubSpot, Slack, Google Contacts, and Zapier. Whilst these are popular tools, it may not be enough for teams with more complex needs. On the other hand, Grasshopper offers to its users a very streamlined solution. Its top features include voicemail transcription, custom greetings, and simultaneous call handling. These features can help you manage your calls more efficiently and provide a professional image to your customers. However, as a consequence of its simplicity, Grasshopper lacks some key features that many teams may require. For example, it lacks a power dialer, call recording and call logging capabilities, automatic call distribution, and click-to-call. This can limit its functionality for teams that need these features to operate effectively. Despite having fewer integrations than its competitor, OpenPhone wins out due to its more comprehensive selection of tools. It's important to choose a phone system that integrates with the tools your team uses already, and OpenPhone's range of integrations can help you achieve this. Additionally, the customizable IVR phone menu with extensions and voicemail to text transcription are essential features that many teams will find useful. In conclusion, both OpenPhone and Grasshopper offer unique features that can power your team's communication needs. It's important to consider your team's requirements and prioritize the features that matter most to you. And for the target audience, Grasshopper is designed with small businesses in mind, with its virtual phone system perfect for self-employed business owners and companies with up to 50 users. Its streamlined features cater specifically to the needs of small businesses and entrepreneurs. On the other hand, OpenPhone is ideal for teams of any size, from small startups to large corporations. Its all-in-one phone system offers a seamless and delightful experience for managing business calls, texts, and contacts, all within a single app. Whether you're working from the office or on the go, OpenPhone ensures that you're always connected to your team and your customers. So choosing between OpenPhone and Grasshopper depends on your business and your needs. Both tools come with advantages and disadvantages, so there's no best solution. It will depend on your current needs. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description. That helps a lot. Thank you. And hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, please leave a comment and click the like button. That helps too. And goodbye for now.